Hi everyone, we're going to make a homemade fire extinguisher. Fire, if you look at this triangle here, fire needs three things for it to ignite. We need heat, we need fuel, and we need oxygen. What we're going to do is we're going to remove one of these properties. You don't have a fire. We're going to have a crack at moving the oxygen by creating carbon dioxide. Now in here I've got a bit of baking soda. And what I'm going to do is pour, just like when we make a volcano or when we had our balloon being expanding the other day, what we're going to do is just pour a bit of vinegar into here and we're going to create that carbon dioxide gas. And then we're going to pour it out over to there. Now just watch, we don't need too much because we don't want all that fizzy, frothy stuff coming out, but we do want to create some gas like this. I'm going to hold my hand on top and give it a bit of a shake up. And you actually feel the bottle getting a bit firmer. And now if I pour like this, yeah, see how I'm actually pouring the carbon dioxide gas out. You can't see it, it's invisible, but what it's done is it's actually poured out because it's heavier than the oxygen and it has extinguished the flames. You have a crack at that yourself. Bye now.